How to fix Messenger message not sending problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger message not sending problem. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check the internet connection. So always make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Otherwise, you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can even turn airplane mode on and off, or you can simply open the website to confirm that your internet is working. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the Messenger app. So here what you can do is completely close the Messenger app, and here once you're done with it, you can reopen the Messenger app and try sending again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to restart your phone. So here simply restart your phone, and once you do that, it will fix the most of the temporary network problems or the app bugs. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check if the messenger is down. So here you can simply ask a friend if messenger is working from them or not, and if the servers are down, you just have to wait for a few minutes. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here what you can do is simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here in this section you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. But do not clear data unless it's necessary. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to update the Messenger app. So here you can simply open the Play Store, and now here once you're inside it, you can simply search for the Messenger app, and if there is any update available, you can just tap on update, because the outdated apps can often cause the sending issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 7, that is to disable VPN or the data saver mode. So here you can simply disable any VPN if it's enabled and allow Messenger with the unrestricted data. And with that, if you're having issues by doing all this solution, then what you can do is simply reinstall the Messenger. So here you can just uninstall the Messenger, and once you're done uninstalling it, then what you can do is simply reinstall it from the Play Store and log in with your account. And it will fix most persistence problem. And that's it. That's how you can fix Messenger message not sending problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.